Skirt. Oh. Hey, what's poppin'? What's goody goody? Good. What's up? You know, it's your boy, Glow00.tm. Glow.tm. I'm back, you feel me? Hey man, I'm a little thirsty, you feel me? It's hot in here. It's cold outside now, it's close to winter. Christmas time, you feel me? It's cold. But look, about to get into this video. I'm about to show y'all how to maintain, little curly dreads, curly freeform dreads. You feel me? Let's get right into it. We about to show you how to maintain these boys for y'all. You dig what I'm saying? We gone. First thing first on how to maintain these curly dreads. See, look, if you ain't got the curly dreads, if you ain't got curls, you good. You good. You don't need curly dreads. You can just have a freeform dread. But look, you can have these easily, bro. If you just maintain them and keep up with your. Some people don't like taking care of their hair. They just be laying on it, going to sleep. Nah, bro. This is a process. It's a process to get it like this. You feel me? But look, before I go to sleep every night, this is how I maintain it before I go to sleep. Sometimes I be missing some days, cause niggas be tired, be whooping niggas at Madden, turn niggas up in Madden, you feel me? But look, this is what I do. I get some grease and I just put it all over my hair. But look, hold on. Let me just go show y'all what I do. Let me just go show y'all what I do. Alright, we got right here how the grease look. This is the grease I use, bro. Coconut co-wash. I don't know what that say, but it look like some Kevin Gates where he works, what Muslim stuff, This what it look like. But look, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it look like, you feel me? You see it? Do you see it? Nigga, I don't even know, nigga. I'm recording on the phone and I don't see it, but y'all do. But y'all feel me? Look, this what I use, you dig? And I'm gonna just show y'all how, how I put it inside my hair. Put it inside my hair. Put it on my hair, you feel me? Hold on, let me shut my door, bro. Niggas be weird. Alright, look, we back. Alright. About to put this on my hair and show y'all how I do it. First, look. Some people be scared to put some little grease on their hand. But look, I come from a greasy family. You dig? We used to kill grease. 2 fingers. Go like that. That much, about that much, little about that much, you feel me? And all you can do is like, rub it together, you dig? Hold on, let me look in my mirror, and then just, put it in your hair. That's what I do every night, bro. Before I go to sleep, just do that. Put it in your hair. Shake it up. Do I look good? I look good. It look clean. So, you did. But yeah, this what I do, real talk. This how I just kept my hair like this. That's all I really do. Keep my hair curly, and all that. You feel me? I do that. Sometimes I use this, and sometimes I be using like this conditioner right here. You can go to the dollar store and get this junk, no cap. This don't cost that much. Y'all niggas spending like $20, $60, $100 on some hair product, but really y'all can just go to the Dollar Tree and get you some hair product, you know, cheap way, you feel me, black way. Yeah, nigga, yeah, we saving money out here. We ain't got that much, boy. We is saving money out here. But yeah, bro, you grease up your hair, and this what I do too, bro. Hey, don't laugh. Before I even lay my head down anywhere, you gotta put on the wave cap, bro. The wave cap, it gotta be a tight wave cap. You gotta put it on your hair. You have to before you go to sleep, so your stuff can, like, you know, stay where it is. So it can just chill. So it won't mess up while you going to sleep. It just be down, you feel me? And it still be long, no shrinkage or nothing. Like, I don't have no shrinkage, I promise. Only when I wash my hair. But like when I do this, it'll be dried up, no shrinkage. You just put it on your head. Look, this is how I do it. Don't laugh, bro. Look, watch this. Make sure everything where you want it to be, like where your hair want it to be. I be like that. Now I do this. Put it on my head. Yeah. Go to sleep like that. Am I clean? Am I clean? Oh, let me take that off. For niggas be on my ass. You feel me? But yeah. Then like in the morning, your hair might be like real matted down. But it's all good. Y'all might start crying because y'all think your hair messed up. Nah. Just take off your wave cap. You feel me? And just go like that with your hair. And shake it up. It's gonna come back to how it was. This is what I do. This is what I do. This is really like how to maintain and using a wave cap to fix your FreeForm dreads. Yeah, bruh. This how I really be doing. This all I be doing. Twisting first step. Twist your hair whenever you can, bro. Whenever you can, just keep on twisting your hair. Whatever ones you want twisted, you feel me? Then, when you come home, you ain't got nothing to do. You ain't got no job. I got a job, but none of y'all niggas got a job. Ain't got no sports. Come home, grease up your hair. Make sure it's clean. You feel me? Maintain your stuff. Get it right. And just put on, you know, the wave cap. Keep it matted down, chilling, you feel me? So it won't mess it up. And then you can go to sleep with the cap on. It won't hurt. Won't hurt. You just be chilling. You just be chilling. Having the wave cap on. That's really how you maintain these, bro. It's not really hard. It's not really hard. And you know, everybody love this, you feel me? Everybody love a little dreads, little twist in. You feel me? I know I look good, don't I? Hold on. You dig, yes sir. But yeah, this is really all I do. And bro, at least like every 3 weeks, 2-strand twist your hair. Keep it like in this dread form. If your hair is like too soft, like my hair is real soft, so it's harder to lock. It's harder to lock in my hair. So I have to like keep it 2-strand twist. So if you got my hair like soft, real soft hair, and not my hair is soft and thick. Yeah, I ain't got regular black folks hair, but it's all right. Anybody that's doing this, bro, it's good. You can get this too, bro. No cap. But yeah, just keep on 2-strand twist is the main key. Real talk. 2-strand twist is the key to all this. Real talk. Cause you untwist it and keep on twisting all the like untwisted hair. This how I got this. Now look at me. Like this like my 4th, 5th week with this hair. You feel me? It's trying to lock up. You did. But yeah, it's just curly twist up, twist outs. But it's becoming dreads now. But look, that's what y'all gotta do. Maintain it. 2-strand twist. You know, keep on twisting when you ain't got 2-strand twist. Grease it up. And then put a wave cap on before you go to sleep. I don't do no sponge. You don't need no sponge. You don't need nothing, bro. You need your hands and little grease. I know you got grease because you've been buying. You've been watching these videos. These hair videos for like 3 years now, bro. You can do it. Let's go. We go get this hair. Everybody, what these called? They call like thought boy haircuts, I guess. But yeah, get this, bro. You be straight. All females be on you, you feel me? They be just all up on your boy. They be, nigga, you feel me? You be good. But yeah, that's how you maintain your stuff. Hey, and we gone, bro. You dig what I'm saying? Hey, go subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell. What's that stuff called? Follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. I'm trying to go up. You feel me? Share this video if your friend trying to get this hairstyle, or if anybody wanting to get this hairstyle, bro. If your auntie want this hairstyle, your grandma, your pawpaw that's been bald for 3 years, but you know, your pops, nigga, I don't know, nigga. Share this video. Get it, you know, get it up. Show it, you feel me? But follow me on the gram. Add me on Snapchat, glow.tm, glow.tm. Yes, sir, 2 O's. You dig? But we gone for real this time. 21 Savage, you dig? Do your thing, you dig?
What you think you know?
Without that tough shit you talking, you know that you weak. Hey, we really been on the street, try 24/7 that day of the week. Just wait till they let out my dogs out the leash. Hey, so much ice I might ski. Yeah.